How are you? All are fine? Yeah? Have you all understanding the lessons? And I hope you are doing the work properly. Is there any incomplete work? No, no? If you are having incomplete, you can complete it, okay? Take the help with your friends also if you are not understand. Share the book, borrow the book here and you can complete it, okay? So 4th class children, today I am going to take a new lesson, okay? So page number 32, open your term book 3, page number 32. The lesson name is The Devoted Friend. The Devoted Friend. So the lesson name is The Devoted Friend. So put finger over there. I'll read the lesson, okay? Once upon a time there was a man by name of Hans. So there was a man, his name is Hans. He was very simple man who was known for his good heartedness and friendly face. Little Hans was a gardener. He lived in a small house all by himself. So there is a man, his name is Hans, and his behavior is very good. Okay, so he treats other people in a good manner. So and he is always treat like a friendly. So he is a gardener. This man, what his occupation? He is a gardener. Gardener, you know, no? Look after the garden, sow the seeds and water the plants like that. That man is called who takes care of the trees. That is called gardener. So there did not exist a more beautiful garden than Hans. He made a living by selling his flowers, fruits in the market. Through the most part of the year, his garden remained colorful and sweet smiling. So he is taking the care of his garden. See, the picture is here. This man is named Hans. He is look after the garden, taking care of trees. Okay. So day by day, when he is taking the care of the garden, he used to sell the fruits and flowers in the market. Through most part of the year, his garden remained colorful and sweet smiling. So his garden is very colorful. So many colorful flowers are there in his garden and fruits also. Little Hans had many friends, but none as devoted as Hugh the miller. Whenever he passed by Hans' garden, Hugh would pluck as many flowers, sometimes fruits, if they were in season. As we would please, what a great thing you are there for me. I wouldn't know where else to go for my flowers, the miller used to say. So, another man is that, his name is Hugh the miller. He is a miller. So, whenever he passed through the garden, whenever he was going on the outside, he used to see the garden. There are many beautiful flowers. If he wants the flowers, he can pluck the flowers, take the flowers from the tree, and he pluck the fruits also, seasonal fruits also. So he is telling, you are having so many kinds of flowers and fruits. So these flowers, from where we have to take. I didn't got this type of flowers in others' garden or in other market. Is asking to Hans. Hans was only too happy to share his happiness with others. He never wanted anything from youth. Though the miller would have easily had 2 hands with some flour every now and then. Hans enjoyed hearing the miller talk about the qualities of true friendship. Another man is Miller. Okay, so he is telling, he is always with a friendly who Hans. Hans is always in a friendly way. So when they are saying that your garden is having a beautiful flowers and fruits, so he feel very happy. Hans' garden was full bloom in spring, summer and autumn. There are 4 seasons: rainy season, winter season, spring and autumn. So in all season, the ants have his garden in a very blooming way. Blooming means all sides, varieties of flowers, varieties of trees, varieties of fruits are there. So always his garden is blooming. So but when winter set in, poor ants did not have anything to sell. When the winter season comes, these ants have not a thing to sell in the market, in the garden, because winter means no plants will grow. Okay, so hence he hardly had anything to eat. So when he wants to eat, he pluck from his garden only. So he don't used to buy from the outside. He are getting from his garden only. But in winter season, he not have anything to eat from his garden. So his devoted friend never once visited him to check how he was doing in the cold weather. When the cold winter means very cold, no? This is a winter season, isn't it? They are having very cold now here. So in this season, there are in ants' garden, there is no fruits at all. So he is not having a single fruit, and nobody is coming to the garden. Why? Because they know the ants' garden in this season, no fruits are there. So he told, I am behaving others as a friendly, but when I am suffering, no one is coming to me and asking me like this. In the meantime, the miller and his family sat around the fire and ate good meals. The miller said that he did not want to trouble ants in his misery, as he himself would prefer the same if we had to go through a similar situation. When spring comes, I shall visit him, and he shall only be happy to gift me with his promises, he said. So this miller is there now. One day they were sitting in the front of the, because it's a winter season, very cold, no? So they are burning the fire and sitting around the fire and eating their meal. So that time the miller said, this Hans is a very good man, and he is in these days they are having a trouble. So I'll go and meet there, so that when I visit him, he will be very happy, he said. How nice, said his wife. Even the priest will not be thoughtful as you are. So his wife is telling, see how you are thinking of the hands also. Even priest in our area, the priest churches are there, in a church priest. Even priest also is not thinking about himself, about her hands, and you are thinking for him, he is telling, she is telling. But the miller little son began to whimper. He knew that Hans would have a hard time in winter. So miller's son, little son, he thinks yes, this season in his garden no fruits will grow. So he feels very sad. How the Hans is eating, what he will eat now in his garden. Nothing is there to eat. He is asking, let him come and stay here. I shall give half of my portion of food to him. So this little boy, the son, whose son? Miller's son, is telling, this time no fruits are going in Hans' garden. So I want to give my half of the part of my food to the Hans. He is telling them, who? The son. How can boy be so silly? The miller laughed it away. Hans will be most happy in his home beside. It's better he does not see the thing he has, or else he will be jealous. He might be asked me for some clothes. You see, I don't like to mix business and friendship. Both are two different things with chalk and cheese. So the boy told that we are taking the food now, so I eat the half food and half food I give it to the Hans. So this miller is telling, no, if you do like this, he feels jealous because miller is a bigger one. He can think of that son, but little boy is thinking this means he is feeling jealous. No. If I want to give the flour, there's a miller means making a flour with a what we say, wheat. Atta you made chapati, that atta they made, that is called millet. That is called the millet. That from millet they make the flour part of the, we will puri, chapati we make, no? That's called a dough. We make in a dough shape, no? So that called atta. Ashirwad atta, like this you use it at your home, no? Your mother make chapati, like that only. He used to give when the hands giving the some fruits, in the place of fruit, he replaced the flour to him. So this season, the hands are not having the fruits in the garden, so he's not giving to everyone. Nobody is coming and he's not able to give them, no. So this time nobody is coming and helping him. So this miller said, no, we won't help them. Instead of fruits, I gave them flow. Then this time he is not giving the fruits, that means I won't give. In business and friendship, I did do the mix up. This time business is business. If somebody asks me floor, you should pay for it. Money or else fruits is instead of money he is giving the fruits. No. So like that business and friendship I won't mix up. He is telling. So, how will you talk? Said his wife. The wife is saying, how are you talking? He is behaving in a friendly way, and you are talking that business and friendship are going. This is not fair. You should not talk like that. How is that? The wife is asking. Oh yes, you know it's hard to talk about business than doing it. The miller being, don't be such a nanny. He sternly told his son, who be then was sobbing. When winter was over during the early days of spring, true of his word, the miller decided to pay visit to Hans and give prime roses. So this wife is asking, how would you say like this? You should not do like this. This wife is saying. The miller is telling, what is that? This is the way to behave the others. If you are friendly, we behave. So in business, stop that. So he is telling. Then after that, the season changed. What the season said? During spring season, this miller thought, come on, we go and take some, what's the prime roses. Yes, such a thoughtful man, and his wife is telling him, oh, what a great you are. Now do eat a basket full. So his wife said, now you are going to him and asking the roses. So bring the roses basket full. Don't bring one or two, basket full of roses. Bring it. And so the miller reached Hans' home. Okay, he said, and he went to the Hans' home. When he reached there, hi, good morning, Hans, cried the miller. The miller cried, hi, hello, good morning. When you reach your friends, you wish, no? Hi, friend, how are you? Like this. This miller also wished like, hi, good morning, how are you? He is asking. Good morning, it's good to see. Hans looked up and both his and was truly happy. Now, in the same way, he was very friendly with them. Now, he is very cold-hearted. He met friends in a good manner. So, like that only he answered, yeah, hello, how are you? Where are you? He is asking them. So, well, I had hard time, but now that spring is here, things are better. Hans had cheerfully. I thought you had forgotten about me. Then he is telling, how are you? You used to talk so much about you. Then he is telling, where are you from these days? Maybe I also very this thing in a trouble. Now the winter has gone, spring is coming, so I have to take care of this, cleaning the garden and sowing a new trees and sowing a new fruits now. And you are forgot me, he is asking. Forgot me. Yeah, how? Real friendship never does that, said the miller. Oh, well, I can see that you have some lovely prime roses here. Now he came. Why he came? Because he wants the roses. In winter season, he didn't met him, no? So, but in spring season, again he came. For why he came? For to get the prime roses. So, he is telling, yeah, this time also I have busy in my work. So, today I want some prime rose. So, please give me some prime roses. Why so? Miller asked. Well, only then I'll get the money to get my wheelbarrow back. Hans looked down and scratched his head. So, what do you do? He said, no, I'm not giving you simply. If you want something, you have to pay me money. So that I can, there's a wood, rice, this is grass are there and woods for cutting the branches, small one. There's a machine to cut the grass. That is called wheelbarrow. So that wheel is that machine is got some trouble. So I have to make the for this thing to repair. So for that I want money. If you want rose, you should pay me. He is asking. What you mean? You sold it? So it was, what we are friends, no? If we are friends, you are sold that roses. He asked. Yes, I had. You see, I had no money to buy food in winter. He is telling simply I am giving instead of when I am giving fruits, you are giving flour. In winter, nobody is coming to me and nobody is giving anything to me. And in my garden also, no fruits and no flowers are there. In winter season, I suffer very much. I am very hungry. I have no money. If I have money, I would buy some food for me. So that's why I am not giving for simply in a free way. You have to pay me. Please ask. Please tell me who Hans is telling. Yes, I had two. You see, I had no. So I told silver buttons on my Sunday coat, then silver chain, then my big pipe, and then wheelbarrow. I had no choice. So all in winter season, he had not a single money he had. So what he do for getting food? First he sold the silver buttons on Sunday market. Okay, and then coat. He sold out and he get the money and then he buy the food and eat. And then after that a silver chain he has in a silver chain. That also he sold for the food. And then a big pipe and then wheelbarrow, the machine who helps that helps in the gardening to cutting the grass. That also he sold and he get the money for food only. Okay. So he said like that, I sold all things, now I have nothing to eat and these things also I lost, I sold it. So now I got the lesson, I won't give anything in free, you have to pay. But when I sell these flowers, I shall buy them all back, he being. So that when I give all flowers, that time if I sold them, I will have money today. Look, I will give you my old wheelbarrow. It not be good condition, but still people could call me a fool if they heard I gave it for free. So what he is telling, see, you are not giving me freely, no? So okay, I have one wheelbarrow, that's old one. I'll give you instead of this prime roses. If I am not paid, means if I will give you free, the people say you are fool, why you will give this? This is a very precious thing. You should take the money. They all people will say me. So if you want, you can instead of giving this thing in the replacement, I will give you the wheelbarrow. That's so generously of you, said Hans warmly. I can repair it with the plan I have. So he said, okay, give it me. It's not working now, I can repair it. The girl is agree to take the this thing, wheelbarrow. He have a plan. You said you have a plan. He's asking, you have a plan how you will repair? He said yes. Oh my, what a coincidence. Just I was looking to for seal hole and bamboo. How would one this lead to end? If he said, I have a plan, I will make it, I will repair it. And again he said, oh, you have a plan. Oh, I have some work for that plan. Can you give me? Again he is asking that also. So the wheelbarrow shall be yours and you will give me that plan for my roof. Isn't friendship truly great? So he is asking, okay, that plank you are having now, give me that plank, the roof is not properly, so I will fit the roof properly. Instead of I am giving you, see the way, he is giving the wheelbarrow that is not working properly. And that plank he wanted from the handsaw. Has went in, brought out the plank. He went in the house and he bring that plank. Oh, it's not that big, said Miller. After the roof is mended, there won't be much left. He's telling, oh, this is very small. When I fit the roof, it will not sufficient. It will all, means it will break also. It's not good. He's asking like that. So I wonder how will he repair the wheel blue then. Anyway, what can I do about it? Now that you will be getting my wheelbarrow, you can give me some flowers. So when he is asking, it's not my work, it's very small. If you give me some flowers in the place, I will give you this wheelbarrow. Oh, then I will be left nothing to say, said sadly. Oh, I'm asking too much. I thought there was no selfishness, good friendship, said Miller. Indignantly. So, okay, friendship, na? That's okay. In friendship, mein, all this will happen. So, give me some, that I'll give you flowers. After waving goodbye, Miller went off carrying the planned basket full of prime roses. Both he got against promise the irreparable wheelbarrow. The next, he was walking in the garden and rudely interrupted by Miller, who had a big sack of flour on his back. So he gave the wheel back and he went. The next day when he was going, he was having a floor sack on his back. So this Hans is calling. Who's that having a bag, the floor sack? He is calling them. Could you please take this bag of flour to the market and sell it for me? The miller asked. He is asking who is that that you are carrying on the back, the sack. So he is asking. Then he said, his turn, and he said, please, could you please help me? The sack is very heavy. You can take to the market and sell it for me now. Then he again asking the hand with hands. Don't forget that you will soon be getting my old wheel. So this said Miller. So what he is saying, I gave you the old wheeler now. So you should do this. Again I help you. You are giving me prime rose and I am giving you. If you do this, again I will help you. He is asking. Oh sure, I will do it for you, said Hans. He put his cap on and carried his sack. It terribly hot and dusty day. So, okay, I'll do this for you. You help me now, okay. Then he wear a cap and take a sack and he went. Then Hans half puffed under the weight and sack but managed to reach the market, sold the floor good price and started back immediately even though he was very tired. He reached home, it was late, he went straight to the bed. Early morning, Miller came to get his money saved for the floor. So, that day he went to the market and sailed the whole floor to the market and get the money. By that time it was very late and he was very tired. So he came home and he slept. The next morning the miller came to his home for the money. Okay. So half lesson is over. Now tomorrow I will continue the lesson. Okay. By that time you take the meanings, page number 38. Page number 38. Meanings. Page number 38. Are you ready? Ninny. Take it. N-I-double-N-Y. Ninny. What's the meaning of ninny? A foolish person. Next. Generous. Generous. Unselfishness. A giving person. There are two meanings. No? Unselfishness one, a giving person two. So write only one. Cut the giving person. Cut it. Only write unselfishness. There are two meanings. So don't write two. Write only one. Unselfishness. Write down. A giving person. Cut it. Are you understand? Next. Idleness. I-D-L-E-N-E-S-S. Idleness. Again, here two meanings are there. First is laziness. Second is inactivity. So you write only one. First one you write laziness. Cut it inactivity. Two meanings are there. Laziness, inactivity. Write only laziness. Cut it inactivity. Okay. Come on, next. Impolite. Take it. Impolite. Disrespectful. Again here two meanings. Bad manner. disrespectful, bad manners. Right? Bad manners. First one, cut it. Cut the first one. Bad mannered. Don't write the first one. Cut it. Okay? Only this much. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 words. Okay? Now I'll write the hard words on the board. Okay? Come on, get ready, beta. Come on. Ready? Can you tick in the reader? Huh? Shall I take in the reader? Okay, come on. Take out page number 32. Page number 32. Say. Hands. First line. H-A-N-S. Hands. H-A-N-S. Underline there and write 1. Hands. Underline it and write 1. Hands. Next, simple. Second line. Underline it and write 2. Simple. Friendly. Second line, last one. Third, friendly. Next line, gardener. Fourth, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. Fourth. Next line, beautiful. Fifth word, beautiful. Gardener, beautiful. Next, remained. Remained. First word. First para. Ending line. Remained. First para. Last line. First para. Last line. Remained. That is sixth. Devoted. Second para. First line. Devoted. Number 7. Devoted. Number 7, devoted. Next line, pluck. There only devoted, after devoted, sit down. Pluck. Number 8, pluck. Pluck. There only, near pluck only. Next line, please. Please. Number 9, please. Please. Next, last line, Miller. Miller. 10. Over. Again, I will tell you, check it. First line, Hans. Second line, simple. Again, in the same second line, friendly. Third line, gardener. Fourth line, beautiful. The last, first para, last line, remained. Second para, first line, devoted. Second para, second line, pluck. Second para, third line, please. Second para, last line, Miller. Got it? Come on, this is your homework. You have to write 2 times. That means 1 time homework, 1 time class. So, write down today's day and date. Heading write down lesson number 12, the devoted friend. Then here you should write the first keywords like this. Okay. Keywords. This one is classwork. So write 1 to 10 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 words here. Then fold the paper. Draw the line in the middle. From here only you should start. This one is the homework. When you are writing the second time, you should write beside the line. Okay, this is your homework. So keywords and meanings. So half lesson is I'll explain the tomorrow. I'll explain the half. Okay. So today's class is over. So be healthy. Have a good day. Don't come out of your house. Take a healthy food. Okay. Enjoy the day. Bye.